Okay, welcome back. Now again we are continuing with Unit 305 and we're looking at the final sessions in regards to Session 24, regulatory requirements, special locations again, okay? And again this simply extends the special locations which is applicable, which you've seen in Session 23 and 22 and quite possibly 21, okay? Again, it is up to you to check that the regulations to which you're working is concurrent in regards to the IE regs at all points in time. If the numbers here have changed, then you must update yourself in regards to that data as it currently is. That is your responsibility. Okay, let's carry on. I don't need to take too long on this now because this is now just information that you will need to use yourselves, okay, and make available to you all. Okay, flammable and explosive atmospheres. Okay, it tells you here what you need to be looking at and the regulations which cover that section. Make sure you understand it. Electricity at work regulation, you would have covered a lot of this already. So make sure you are compliant with current regulations. Okay. Okay, that's for you to be able to see and to comply with. Okay, let me just make sure I can get it on screen. Okay, good. Okay, let's just make sure you comply with this. Okay, overall. Thank you. Okay, but make sure you can get it in shot. Okay. Now again here, I don't need to do a lot of talking. This is information you now need to read for yourself and make sure that you have corresponded it to the current IEE regs. That is a matter for you to do. That is your responsibility at all points in time. Okay? Okay. And here you have your voltage bands, okay, etc. Making sure I can get it fully raised, okay. 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 Good. Should all be ready, familiar with all of this, protecting against electric shock, etc. Okay. Okay. Now again here, threshold of perception, let go level, etc. Current range is up to approximately 10 milliamps because each person is different. Okay. Sensation effect, hold on level, etc. Okay. Here if hold on level meaning that it's now difficult for you to release the object because of the spasmodic rhythm of the electric current going through your body. Okay. Okay. And again here we have this. Relevant to you. Safety, safety, safety. And here you have basic protection and fault currents, etc. Okay. And here you can see the little guy in quite a shocking pain, okay? Enough to show he's wet himself. That may not be all he may have done. Okay. And here are your other regulations you need to comply with. Make sure that they are up to date. Check that these regulations in reference to the numbers are up to date and concurrent in regards to the IEE regs. That is your responsibility. Now when I checked last, the disconnecting time in regards to table 41.1 was still the same, okay? But you need to allow for any changes that has now come into play because of the constant updating of technology, okay? So that is a matter for you to be aware of. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.